Get ready for plays. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and variety. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, travel elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their welfare, their prosperity, along lives, my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning to all of you. Today's thought is presented by Nilgiri, and the thought is: when you talk, you are only repeated. Presented by Nilgiri. When you talk, you are only repeating something, but if you listen, something new. Thought once again: when you talk, you are only repeating something, but if you listen, you may learn something new. Thanks, have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. Today's news presented by Nilgiri, and some top headlines are: Turkey kicked death past 33,000. Second in 2 days, US shoots down another object over Canada. Manjhi launched Yatra from Nevada to Gaya. Peace in Kashmir can only be retained with unity, said Rahul Gandhi. In BPSC examination, questions are easy but options are confusing. Some news from sports world. Indian women beat Pakistan by 7 wickets and high scorer was Jamina Rodriguez. India and Australia third test in move out of Dhamsala. Thanks, have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. Today is the word presented by Nilgiri House. The word is life. The word is life. In Hindi meaning Jivan. In Garo, Jangi. 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 Thanks. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to tell you about Isaac Newton. He is born in 4th January 1643 in United Kingdom. He gives 3 laws of motion. These laws of motion is called Newton laws of motion. The Newton laws of motion gives an accurate definition of a force and set up a relationship between the force applied on a body and the state of motion acquired by it. Newton's first law of motion. A body continues in its state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line until an external force acts on it. Newton's first law of motion is also called Galileo's laws of inertia. Inertia of a body. The property of a body to resist any change in its state or rest or of uniform motion in a straight line is called its inertia. Newton's second law of motion. The rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the applied force and takes in direction in which the force acts. Its third law of motion is to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Newton's third law of motion is also called action and reaction law. Newton built the first practical reflecting telescope and developed a sophisticated theory in color based on the observation on that a prism separates white light into 7 colors of the visible spectrum. He also formulated an empirical laws of cooling, made the first theoretical calculation of the speed of sound. In addition to his work on calculus as a mathematician, Newton contributed to the study of power series, generalized that binomial theorem to non-integer exponent, developed the roots of function and classified the most of the cubic plane curves. Thank you. Have a nice day.